Khabazela.
Bo.
Isimningi leminyaka singabonani kodwa ke ithuba selize lavela ukuthi sigcine sibonene. Sibonge kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho. Kuyi-privilege kakhulu ukuthi uya-honored ukuthi ube kwi-presence yethu. Hopefully kuningi esizokuthola. Kuningi futhi esizogcina sikuzuzile ngokuthi ube nathi kuleli hora leli. Uyangikhumbula-ke mina ungaze ngiseyisitufuzana lapha ezipho zonke. Sisuka kude thina safikela kini from grade 8 kwaku standard 6.
Yes.
1995. Sahlupha saze saphuma ngo99. Nisiphethe ukuswenka. Sakufunda kini phela kube ngihleke mangibuka igeneration ngithi hawu lama sutu kathisha omkhulu aphephula uGadamu. Hawu lama sutu kathisha omkhulu. Uma ungasibuyisela emuva nje uKhabazela ube umfana onjani esakhula?
Angibonge Mbofu ithuba lokuthi sigcine sibonene after a long time. Like usho kuhlangana kwethu ezipho zonke njengoba ukuthi we were one of the 30s among the boys, but very good boys in terms of class, which was good. Ngisho ukuthi abafana abahluphayo kodwa mabehlakaniphile bayakwazi progress in life. I was that kind of a boy myself esikoleni. Ngikhule ngihlupha nje like all the boys. But into uNkulunkulu ayenza yaba yinhle in my life wawuthi ngangiphasa esikoleni. The more uphasa, the more iqhaqeka inkulu. And when the level of maturity ifika vele uqhubeka nesikole, ifika vele my classes are phezulu in life, and damage yokukhula yokuganga ukhula isuke iba kahle mangabe uhlobo oluphasayo. So that's why I say ngiyanazi kakhulu nangihlupha, but the good thing ukuthi naniphasa. So uma uhlupha uphasa uyangokuyiqonda iqoqeka. Nami I was such that kind of a boy.
In terms of academic qualifications, what are those? Specific.
Well, angifundanga kakhulu kodwa ke ngekhathi zethu into eyisemqoka kakhulu kwakuyile msebenzi nje eyayi basic original esingathi kwakumsebenzi predominantly for African child, which was teaching, nursing, phoyisa. If you were too clever, then you'd go to doctorate. I mean, you're about hotel, medicine, not doctorate, medicine, or normally male. So I chose teaching. I choose by mistake. When I applied the University of Zululand, ngangifuna ukuyokwenza i-admin, ngangithanda ukuphatha nje that one. Manje mangifika lapha nathola ukuthi anginamali yokuregister, and kwakukhona amabhasari othisha njengoba nje encourage kakhulu ukuthatha othisha. Ngase rather than ukubuyela ekhaya ngigcine ngekho qualified, ngithatha yona i-teaching, and fortunately I don't regret to teaching. Thola diploma yakhona Second of Teachers Diploma, adlula ngathola i-BPET degree, teaching degree yakwa teaching, adlula ngathola i-BEd honors yakwa education nakhona. engabe sengisebenza ke emva kwalokho ke mase ngisebenza ke you know njengoba usho ukusahlangana eziphozonke ngiqhubeka ngisengu-principal nakhona kwahamba ngabona ukuthi engazuthi sengikhathele manje I think I've done enough then ngaphuma ke ngaya kwa-local government omasipala lapho ke sengifike ngafunda khona into ey'ningi zokuphathwa komasipala ke ilang engisathi ngiseyagxile khona-ke namanje.
Ngiyakhumbula sisafunda ube mandla kakhulu kwi-netball. Waze walanda noThishgamede nabandawonye and i-performance yaba phezulu kakhulu isikole sethu oSindi babeshisa. Isikole sethu asidominathile i-region yonke. I-netball associate kakhulu nabantu besifazane. Yini eyenza ukhabazela ukuthi yena ekhethe netball and ebe ne-influence eningi kwi-netball?
Well, i-netball ngayiqala I once taught eMdlamfe eSikhawini. It was Mdlamfe Secondary School at the time, but it later became Mdlamfe High School. That was way back, I think I can't remember the
90s.
Yeah, got 1982, 83 yes. So yeah, coach wa like you say umem othize owathi ngoJuly kwafuneka hambe eseyoshada leko Port Shepstone. Then there was no photos of coach in netball. I happened to be sports organizer at school and I liked winning in life.
I can testify to that.
Yeah, I hate losing, I must be honest. So, I'm coach soccer at that time, but I realized that is banning male teachers who could coach soccer, who had played soccer better than I did. So, I think I when I played soccer, I ukubona le netball ukuthi yini ngane wayishawa kakhulu. But ke ngangena ke khona ngaqala ngafunda incwadana zakhona enemithetho eminingi ehlukile, but I attended workshops zakhona yaqala sawini isikole and I went to ezenzeleni yoba eShod le eObonjeni ngafika khona coming with this mentality yokuwina. So I started a team from the beginning. That was 1984, I remember. Winner yonke into. Then ngabuya ngithe ngifinalize iphozonke. That was one of the first things engathi no, we can't have an ordinary team because I believe in winning. So I built a strong netball team, based with discipline, which helped also our players ngoba the whole idea yokuthi when you are involved in a sport, sport isikufundisa a particular discipline, way of life ofanele uhambe ngayo ukuthi ube successful, and in the long run leyo nto iyangena nakuwe as a person ukuthi for you to achieve something you need to be disciplined. So I used netball kanjalo ke sagcina la izipozonke sishaya yonke ikole la KZN sasawina national lapha ke esagcina khona sinomestigamete ngikhumbula hated netball like never nje wayeshaya ingane zami ngazi makade ziyo trainer gcina zisho, but eventually I recruited him. Woza lana wagcina naye sehambe ngishamazwe ngayo even overseas umpirisha kwa World Cup ngayo in netball. So ke it opened ama chances kwabantu abaningi. The good yokuthi the top club now KZN even nationally is izipozonke yaqala khona lana because sathi mase sishaya ikole zonke ngasithi ayman le ngane have achieved everything. Ezinye zazo izophuma mayiqeda matric ihambe, why can't we make a club? So it's to keep them together and sakwenza lokho. That's why uSindi Gumede baze bayodlala kwi-international World Cup nabo Commonwealth Games in England beba ama-international stars khona just because of i-netball. And abaningi ke bayaphila manje, yayingakhokhi at the time, siyakhokha manje. But we are happy that we are contributing. I'm still involved in netball.
That's good.
President we-netball Zipozonke Club. Still president at KZN for quite a number of time, vice president manje ku KZN netball, and young Fagana we Sports Confederation, vice president of Sports Confederation in province as Peter Sonke sports in the province through the netball association yami netball
i-profession yokuba uthisha i-profession ekwenza umzali.
Yes,
ngoba usebenza ngezingane. Uma sibuyela ukukhabazela, isiphi isifundo angathi kubazali bakhe asithathayo kunamanje usasisebenzisa futhi ukuthi lokhu ngakuthatha kubazali bakhe?
Well, I came from a very, very disciplined mom. Ngaba ne single parent. Umama uyena owangikhulisa. Ubaba unfortunately ngamazi sengimdala, but akaze bashade nomama. So umama why ngasithanda sport like all black parents, most of them in the past abanandaba ukuthi ingane yabo. In fact bathi uthi mawuthi utayodlala ba discourage nje lokho bakubona njengento engenamsebenzi. But fortunately element ye discipline yenza ukuthi whatever I did, indlela umama discipline ngayo wayefuna ukungibona ngiyinto ethize in life. And ngangithi ngikwenza konke nokuganga kwezingane nokuhlupha kwabafana, but nganginalokho ukuthi angifuni ukuphoxa umama. So umama fanele angibone i-dream yakhe ukungibona ngiyi something in life igcine yenzekile. Two, wayebathanda abantu mama. Wayebathanda to the extent ukuthi much as wayehluphekela kodwa wayengithethisa uma kwafika umuntu ekhaya wazi wahambe ngawaphuzanga amanzi. Mhlambe did not have a lot of things kodwa amanzi ukuthi angangeni umuntu azaphuma ahambe. So I took those things, utheka uNkulunkulu mayesengibusisile, then I extended that to life, to other people, and yokufuna ukusiza. I don't pride myself kodwa nginakho ukumbonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi wangipha lenhliziyo yokusiza. I think I've helped quite a number of people, mhlawumbe ibona abangasho kahle, abaningi abaseyindaweni eziningi aseba achieve ukuthi Baba Mkhize njena nje uBaba Mkhize, and that's what pleases me more, and I took that from her.
What is it that okholelwa khona and you believe that is true, but if usunabanye abantu they seem to disagree naleyo?
Ungibuze kahle sengatholwa uNkulunkulu kakhulu esikhathi esiningi. I believe very much in God's power and in God's love, so to speak. Ngimthemba kakhulu uNkulunkulu. Mhlambe that's one thing again eyangisiza yona, ngasizwa ugogo ke wayengithatha esontweni noma ngangiyesontweni ngoba ngidoje imisebenzi yasekhaya and so on, kodwa ngagcina kukhona ukusizakala ngesikhathi sekusa nami ekhanda. I believe very much ukuthi uNkulunkulu mayedalile kusuke kunento ayibeke kuwe okwakho uyicinga ukuthi yiphi and mhlawumbe ungeke kwazi ukuyitholela wena wedwa, you need to consult him ukuthi God njengoba wangiletha la kune-purpose ongilethele yona yiphi, help me ngilokhuzana. Now iyangisiza ke leyo nto Mbomvu ngoba I've worked ey'ndaweni ey'ningi times eyi-volatile, lo masipala indawo eyi-volatile kakhulu but mangifika khona even ey'koleni nje you testify ukuthi la ngisebenza khona there was always order. So nako masipala ngifika uhlupha kangakanani mase ngifikile I bring order. Into engenza ngilethe order kakhulu ilena ethi ngiyangithi ngilethwe la uNkulunkulu, so akakwazi ukungenza ngifeyile mase ngifike kuleyo ndawo. Mangifike lapho ungilethela ukuthi angizophumelela, so that one kuvele kungiboost ukuthi ngishawe kuthiwa kunahlobo luni lwe-stumbling block, uhlobo luni lwey'nkinga ey'khona, kodwa ngoba ngikholelwa ukuthi yena ungilethelela ukuthi ngizophumelela, kuvele i-stumbling block ngisibone singilutho kunaye ngigcine ngiphumeleleke. Unfortunately some people don't believe in that and we can't blame them for that until bakuzwe ukuthi ma uNkulunkulu you have everything. Akusho ukuthi inkinga ngeke zibe khona, kodwa kusho ukuthi uzokwazi ukudlula kuzo ngaye. Ngale it gives you that confidence ukuthi uyabona ukhona Mbovu mhlambe ngoba nibe busy nalezi zinto, you know impi yaseSandton mawufunda ngayo impi yaseSandton amangisi ayebaqhulula ngezibhamu abantu but abangemuva they were not running away, babethi uyadela wena osulapho bafuna ukuyifikela and leyo nto yagcina yabona amangisi yabona ayikho lento yebhamu abonta yafa ngcono kubaleka kubaleka kulokhuzana just because of this power and determination and belief ukuthi zizowina la and so on. So that's what happens when you have God in you. No, doesn't necessarily mean ukukholwa kakhulu, usho nje ukumthemba ukuthi ma umthemba uNkulunkulu ukuthi uzokusiza then you go through. Akusho ukuthi uzovuka ekuseni uthandaze, mina uyathandaza, ntambama uyathandaza, noma uyosonta kakhulu, no, but isho ukuthi you have somebody omthembayo ukuthi manginaye ngizonqoba konke.
Ngiyakwazi impela Khabazela as indoda ediscipline. Uqoba amasokisi nje ngiyazi. Ngiyabazi mina abantu abangifundisayo. Ungabanye ababo ukuthi nje unethi and you are very disciplined. Kulesikhathi esikhula kuso abazali kukhona enye system abayisebenzisayo yokudisciplina leyo kumemeza yokuthetha. Ngokwami I'll achieve lutho uma ukuthi we are shouting. Does that system of getting your point across ukuthi ufane umthethisi, does it work?
I'll say 90% plus doesn't work. It doesn't work ngoba umuntu ma ummemeza kakhulu, umthethisa kakhulu uyaxoveka. Ingqondo zabantu ayifani naturally and fortunately mhlambe ke nanezingane nibweni ningakunaki kahle ngiselapha ezipho zonke othisha babekusaba ukuze ofisini lami ngangithi mangithi ngibiza uthisha boqale bebuze eClarkini ukuthi unjani, ucasukile, unenzeni and so on, kanti mhlambe ngibizela nomuntu kumncoma noma mhlambe ukumlokhuzana. It's because they knew ukuthi I believe very much ekuhlaleni phansi nomuntu ngimtshela ukuthi uyabona Mbomvu u1 no2 wrong, awuzukukusiza ma umuntu by nature udinga ukuhlonishwa irrespective ukuthi ungakanani. And ma umnikeza ithuba lokuzohlala phansi naye kungenzeka because of ukuzazi ngoba sinakho ukuthi siyazazi ukuthi sibadala ingane futhi siyichene rather than ukuyilalela. Kodwa uma ukwazi ukuhlala nayo phansi uyitshele kahle ukuthi u1 no2 no3 akazi ukusebenza ngisho lokho because of experience. Wena mhlambe ngokungane bakho usakholelwa usacabanga ukuthi kuzokuphumelelisa because usashiswa igazi usemncane usebona unamandla and so on. Ukumemeza it really kamxova umuntu kunokuthi abe willing to listen and abe willing ukushintsha entweni osukumtshela yona. I-shouting imenza umuntu angene kwi-defense mode. Uyabona umuntu wangena kwi-defense mode ngeke kusamenza lutho ngoba manje ufuna ukuprovela nawe ukuthi nawe uyabheda uyazi naye and so on. Kanti mawuhlala naye phansi umtshela this element yokulalela which is a critical thing in life, ukulalela ma umunye umuntu ekhuluma. And ngisho umuntu ebheda kodwa if we are able to listen kuyena khona ucorrect ozokuthola. That's why ngeke ngithi one of the most important things in life ama skills ofuna siwafundise izingane zethu, skills okulalela, because ulalela ngisho umuntu umuzwe uthi yabona kuyabheda kodwa kulo mbhedo wonke there is something ozoyithola correct and you pick it up entweni ayishilo ukuthi hayi uyabheda kodwa ukuthi nokuthi kulokuzana and you grow out of that. So shouting ayikho right. Unfortunately shouting ihambisana nokuba abusive, ihambisana isihluku nje of some kind. Akekho kojabulela ukuhlukunyezwa. Wonke umuntu uma ethi ahlukunyezwa ungena kwi defense mode, and wangena kwi defense mode awusafundi lutho.
Kuba namanye ama situations ukuthola ukuthi ukhule ngaphansi kwayo leyo mpilo ngoba impilo osukukhule ngaphansi kwayo usekhaya, so ukuthi vele ukhule ekhaya enomsindo okuhlala ekuthethiswana kulona unaleyo belief yokuthi yazi umuntu uma umtshela ngahlakezwe ufuna ukuthi uzomthethise. Umenza kanjani lo muntu ukuthi unprogramme kuleyo nto ukuthi ingqondo yakhe ibone izinto differently kunalokho ukuthi ukuze umuntu engizwe fanele ngimemeze. Lokho kwenziwa yini ukuthi ukhule ngaphansi kwaleso simo leso.
Yes.
Programme kanjani?
In life everybody has got mistakes. Mawuphila nje umuntu you are exposed to ama mistakes. Mhlambe ngokwama Christians sithi uhlala exposed ezonweni. Now umuntu ekhule ngalolo hlobo akufanele I mean I've been exposed to a lot of people abanjengalabo othi ngisho ekhuluma nawe kanje uzombona shouter on top of lokuyana ukhuluma abantu abangale phandle noma. So I always conscientize them ukuthi ayibo angithi ukhuluma nawe ngilapha phambi kwakho, so awuthi ukwehlisa izwi alehlise mhlamba khuluma othi lokuzana usayashout no. Sidla ngiyakuzwa asikhulumene kahle. I-behavior into ekopishwayo like you were saying, uma ingane ibe exposed ekushoutweni kakhulu igcina ikholelwa ukuthi shouting is the correct thing nayo ufanele yenze leyo nto lokuzana. But if you exposed that child or that person into a situation yokuthi masikhulume whether sikhuluma into eveza amaphutha noma sikhuluma into enesense, but asingashouti ngoba masikhulume sobabili ukuze sizwane. And leyo nto yokuzwana yokulalela idevelopa le element yokulalela, because ukushouta usukuvala ukulalela, awufuni ukuzwa lutho oluzoshiwo the other person, ufuna ube uyena ozwa wena kuphela. And as you grow older, that becomes a wrong way of life, because impilo umuntu nami umuntu, you have your different ideas from what I have, and ekugcineni ufanele siwaxoxa ama-ideas ethu. Uma evumelana, good luck. Uma engavumelani, kodwa asivumelani, asivumelani. Lokhu ngenxa ukuthi sikwazile ukulalelana, ngikwazile ukulalela Mbomvu ukuthi this is your view, nawe wakwazi ukungilalela ukuthi this is my view. Singa-agwisha ngalamanzi la, ngiyobe la ejekeni ngithi mina le glass is half empty, wena uthi is half full. Angithi ke sishinto eyodwa kodwa siyisho ngendlela ehlukile. Wena uzothi no, uma wabuka lamanzi, you can't say a half empty. When wabuka ukuthi amanzi are half full, mina ngithi no, half empty. Ngoba usuka phezulu wehla kusho ukuthi kunamanzi awu-half angasekho. Wena uthi no, vele ujeke uma ungenalutho usungenamanzi, kodwa uma ngifaka amanzi half full. So ke you see uthola ukuthi singagcina sivumelene ukuthi okay, indlela engela yakho oqhamuka ngayo ile nothi wena ubuka izinto positively, so uma uyibuka positive uzothi half full, mina ngiyibuka negative ngizothi half empty, and so on. But sishinto eyodwa ukuthi amanzi awu-half lapho lokho. So ke ukulalelana kusiza ngaleyo nto. You need to expose abantu bafunda kakhulu ngokubona noku-experience rather than ukutshelwa. That's why mawusuya e-university there is less teaching. It's more about you reading. We are referring, you go to chapter bani, chapter bani, you go to a library, you read. When we fundela ngoba lokhuzana, kodwa mhlambe ethe early stage uyatshelwa kakhulu ke lokhuzana. So learning by experience, expose those people abakhula kabuhlungwana into situations without telling them ukuthi you are undoing the program ayangena wrong, yokushouta, yokuthi shouting is correct, but ngokume-exposer into situation where oxoxa naye umlalele, alalele. Naturally wonke umuntu uyathanda ukulalela, and uma create more chances yokumlalela ekhuluma, ude phela control i-volume noma i-tone yakhe, ukuthi hayi musumemeza anisindawo tshela nalokho uzogcina azi ukuthi no, mayishinto edinga ukulalelwa, must speak softly.
Ngiyakuzwa. Sometimes kwamina sengikhuluma ngami ngikuthole kunzima ukuxolisa. I found it hard to apologize. Ngithole ukuthi mhlambe kukhona into encane nami ngiyabonga ukuthi imina engenzi iphutha la, kodwa ngigcine ngingafuni ukuxolisa. Yini eyenza lokho ukuthi abantu kube nzima ukuxolisa? Nami ngifaka lapho
sonke ngiyathi it needs wisdom and maturity ukwazi ukuxolisa, ngoba abantu abaningi angifuni ukuthi abangahlakaniphile, but ngifuna ukuthi abantu abaningi uyazi ukuthi mayixolisa uyazehlisa. Whereas ukuxolisa, it's a very, very powerful weapon of ending a conflict. I fortunately learned that nami as ngikhula ukuthi uma mhlambe ake ngithi mina I believe very much in good relations. I appreciate ama relations and ngiyangibena lento ukuthi ama relations are managed. A relationship nje kufanele we manage on daily basis. Kufanele Mbomvu ngikutadishe mangiphila nawe ukuthi what makes you tick. Iziphi izinto oyithandayo, iziphi izinto ongayithandi, uzisho kanjani izinto, mawucasukile unjani. Mangenza leso study sizongilekelela ukuphila kangconywana nawe. Ngikunderstand kuzoba kancane la sixabana khona. Now uxolisa ke isikhathi esiningi abantu baye bethatha ukuthi mayexolisile usho ukuthi uhluliwe. Kanti in most cases mawuxolisile usuwinile. Because umuntu ekubuka njengomuntu omonile is angry ngawe and ukufisela noma yini into embi ukuze ayithole on top of you. But immediately you humble yourself, uxolisa ukuthi no, I'm sorry. I think I made a mistake here and I'm sorry. Ngixolisa unconditionally. Case closed. Case closed. And lo muntu uzokuhlonipha more than abengakuhlonipha uma ungaxolisanga, ngoba uzokwazi ukuthi no, this person akazi ukufisa naye ubuya ayithole on the wrong side yakho, ngoba you have elevated him or her, wambeka lapha phezulu ngokuthi uxolisa. Ngoba ukuxolisa kunyusa i-level yalomuntu oxolisa kuyo in most cases, but nawe oxolisayo ikubeka phezulu kakhulu ukuthi no, uSibanibani is a reasonable person. Uma ngempela ubenza i-mistake, uyabona ukuthi wenza i-mistake, and kuthiwa i-mistake ngoba uyenza ungahlosile. So uyabona ukuthi uyenze lento engahlosile and uyaxolisa, then case closed. Mase xolisile ngesizulu kwakuthiwa umshaya umuntu maselele phansi. Ngisho ngabe kuthiwa unjani wamshaya wawa nje awubusa usamshaya ngoba lo muntu kusho ubusiphelile indaba yakhe. Uxolisa ke kusho leyo nto ukuthi no, it's down now. Asikho isidingo sokuthi ngiqhubeke ngisho izinto ezimbi noma ngithethe noma ngenzani, because he has admitted, he has apologized. At times you mostly master shilele athi yokuxolisa. Uxolisa ngisho ubone ukuthi awonile. God uxolisela uqeda conflict, because conflict is not a healthy thing. Uma uphila ingxabano idala ama tension, idala nje ukuthi kungena uma uxabene nanawo undodakazi wakho la, udala ukuthi ma ungena nje angazi noma ufuna ajabule noma unjani, uthola hamba uyivalela ekamereni, avoid ukuthi abonanane nawe ngoba mhlawumbe ukuthuthelele noma mhlawumbe wena umuntu ukuthelele, kunento okufanele ngabe uyayicela kuwe, akazi ukwazi ukuyicela ngoba kunale conflict. Kodwa uma engeza athi baba ngiyaxolisa, kwenzeka iphutha kanje nawe uzothi ungaphindi uyenze le. Ngesikhathi usho njalo ukuthi ungaphindi yena sekudlule njalo, then impilo siyaqhubeka isinormal. So it's a skill, but it's ding wisdom. Udinga ukuhlakanipha ukuthi mawuxolisa we are not losing, instead we are gaining more respect from umuntu oxolisa kuyena.
Kukhona engikufundile nami ngoba umuntu ekhula, futhi ngikufunde emaphutheni engiwenzile ukuthi uma kune conflict, regardless ukuthi kukhona umuntu omunye umuntu la, kodwa nani nobabili kufanele nithathe irresponsibility nobabili ngoba niswemxabene. As much as ubona ukuthi ungonile undodakazi wami, kodwa nami ngoniwe, kunakho lokho ukuthi ikhona irole engiyidlalile ukuze gcine kwenzeke lento eyenzakalile. mhlawumbe mangenza iexample nje undodakazi uhambile wabuya late wangabuya ngesikhathi mina mhlawumbe yimina futhi engimkhululile uthi hayi mawukuthi useground nje anginankinga ngoba useground uma esebuya late seqala leyo nto ngikuleli point ngifuna ukufaka leli point lokuthi ukuxolela khona ke kubaleka kangakanani ukuthi nawe ukuxolisa kuyena ungagcini lokhu ubamba iqhubeko ukwazi ukuxolela kubaleka ukuxolela
ukuxolela njengoba ngisho mhlambe khona into engishilo oqala yokuthi into esemqoka in life is to maintain and manage ama-relations. Ama-relations generally uma engamenejiwe uyothola esishayisa edongeni esishayisa kuyo yonke into, even with the married people, if I were to make an example, uma bengakwazi ukumaneja umshado wabo uthola uhlala uneyinkinga njalo, even young couples abangama-lovers abangakashadi, if they cannot manage uthando lwabo ukhona uzoyithola ehlala esemaphutheni nje noma uyayithola esemaphutheni nje. There are these little things zokumanage le relationship okufanele zenziwe. Now coming back straight to your question, ukuxolela ukuze ngikwazi ukuxolela it means fanele ngibhodle qala, and umuntu ethi uyaxolisa kimi, that's the first step yokubhodla. Then nami the moment noma sengithi ungaphindi uyenze lento kusho ukuthi sengikwi-mode yokulokhuzana manje yokuyikhipha lento ebilokhuzana ebingiphethe kabi. But there's one thing oyishoyo which is very critical, and it goes for wisdom again, leyo ukuthi uyazi lo uzangone nje kodwa nami khona bengikwenzile. Lokho esithi self scrutiny, ukuthi uzi-analyze wena ukuthi konje mina yini engiyenzile ukuze enze lento. That is a powerful tool uNkulunkulu angipha yona ke. Fortunately ngiyadinwa mina, ngiyadinwa kakhulu, uma ngidiniwe ngifuna kumbona umuntu ongicasulile la. But mase ngingedwa ngiyangibe nayo lento yokuthi yipi role engiyenzile ukuze lo muntu enze lento, ngoba angikholwa ukuthi uyisukele nje khona engikwenzile kwamlidela ukuthi enze leli phutha ezilingicasula kangaka. Now ngokwenze njalo ngizisiza mina kakhulu qala ukuthi mhlambe at times even if ngathiwa akasaxolisanga, but if mina sengitholile ukuthi ngibe ne role yokuthi enze le nto leyana, ngiyaxola mayifika sekuyibonus, mayingafikanga but I'm okay ukuthi sengizixolele mina ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi yimi engicontributile directly or indirectly, mina engicontributile ukuthi akenze lokhu zana. Ngiyayithi ke in life kunabantu abaningi esebangona but in good relations nabo without them saying I'm sorry. Ngisebenzisa leyo lokhuzana leyo oyishoyo ukuthi I always find a reason yokuthi angone, ukuthi kwakuyisiphi that at times it becomes a correct reason, at times it becomes a wrong reason, but at least kimi it becomes a reason engenza ngibe right ngibhodle ngibe lokhuzana, ngoba mbovu khona into enkulu in life. You are the most important person to yourself than to any other person. Ufanele uyazi lento ukuthi umuntu osemqoka kakhulu kuwena is yourself. And ke sebengeza ke amadodakazi omama nobani bonke sebengeza, but the most important person to yourself should be yourself. Ufanele uziprotect ukuthi ungahlali ukwi-negative mode, hlala ukwi-positive mode. And uzogcina kanjani lokho? Uzogcina ngokuthi uma kunabantu abakonile abakukhipha emodini yokuba happy, emodini yokuzethemba and so on, find a reason. Isiphi izathu esidala ukuthi bangone kanje, ngicontribute leso sizathu sizokwenza umxolele umuntu engakaxolisi, kodwa okukhulu kakhulu sizokwenza wena ube happy more than yena. Uma yena safuna ukuyibambela amagqubu uyibambela and so on, kodwa wena usudlule, usu-right, because ma uzogcina lokhu kuthuthela nolokwana, it affects your body, it affects your heart, it affects uthola ukwazi nokudla, umuntu uyayijabulela ngalena, umhepha kalinawazi, wena ngapha ungeneki, ungena empeteni uyakhala, uyacasuka, uyathuka, wenza uyaqalekisa, yena ngalena ujabula ngendlela angazi. Now it's important that you protect this body, protect this soul, and the only person who can do that is yourself.
Kubangani bami bengixolele bakithi. Kubangani bami nakumphakathi esiphila kona, abantu abathanda ukucomplaina kakhulu ukuthi impilo ayikho fair, bafuna i-fairness empilweni. Ngenze research, mabe ngazi ukuthi Khabazela ngizohlangana nawe, ngenze research nga-prepare for this le podcast. While doing research, reading incwadi, ngitholile ukuthi life is not fair. Impilo ayikho fair. Kuzohamba kube khona izinto ezistressayo, lokho kufanele kube i-part of life. Sikwenza kanjani ukuthi abantu be-understand ukuthi life isn't fair? Vele ngesikwazi ukushintsha lekho. Let's into ekhona vele, ungahlezi ucomplaina ukuthi hey akukho fair, wena accepta i-reality ukuthi akukho fair and then work on that ukuthi impilo yakhe iqhubeka phambili. Abantu sibenza kanjani ukuthi bekuvumele lokho ukuthi impilo ayikho fair kwi-situation esukuyenzeka kuwena, kusuke kufanele ufunde isifundo ukuze ukwazi ukuqhubeka nempilo.
Yeah, the fact ukuthi sonke asizalwa with the late King Zwelithini, noma President Ramaphosa, or former President Zuma, or Dona Wapindangene. It's an indication that life is not fair. Kumbula ngikhula ngangithi ngisemncane impela ngithi ngifundela ukuba umlungu, because I believe ukuthi umlungu nje izinto nje ngani umlungu mawubona nje abelungu ubona ukuthi hey impilo inhle lapha, imnandi lekhuza. But as ngikhula kwacaca ukuthi no man, issue ye fairness in life or unfairness in life yinto ekhona nje ngegama. What is important, it's the opportunity wena ozidalela yona out of our surroundings akho. I'll make one example. Angisena umuntu olandela kakhulu istory nolandela nokusana, but I was so proud, very proud, mangizwa ukuthi hey khona i-stories zima lapha na esakhiwe bafana balapha ematshani, ayifunde izipho zonke. Then ayithi ke manje sengifuna nami ukuthi ayifuna ngithola ukuthi ngobani lapha mayifunda izipho zonke, ngiyamazi lo mfana should wafunda kimi lo mfana. I'm now associating myself with something enathi mani iqala I was not part, angangazi lutho ngayo, but ukuyi-owner leyo nto sengithi hayi bo ngiyamazi lo mfana wangubane ngangimfundisa lo mfana i-status sami immediately sithi ukwenyuka sinyoswa uwe ungekho lapho, but I'm claiming it. I'm claiming all the positive things ezenzeka around me because in life that's how you grow. You need to accept this is the situation, but kule situation what are positive things ezenzakalayo? Isn't a positive things ezenzakalayo? How do I tap in to those positive things for i-betterment yami, for i-growth yami, ukuthi nami ngigcine ngumuntu recognized noma ngumuntu obenefitile ngalezi zinto ezenzeka. I'll go back to the issue kaJeke bese ixoxa la ukuthi when you look at life negatively, you will say this jug is half empty. Ushuthi ubuka negative. Kodwa uma ubuka positive, uzothi this jug is half full. Now, sibuka environment eyodwa, sikwi situation eyodwa, kodwa i-approach is different. I-approach yomuntu othi this jug is half full, uyabona nje mangahle ngithola omunye half la ngagcwala. Lo ibuka empty, ukuthi ayi uyabona mangathi uthela omunye ayaphela lapha ushuthi life isiphelile. So that's how you need to tap in ey'ntweni ey'khona, because there are a lot of good things ezenzakalayo around us. There are a lot of opportunities akhona around us, but people don't want to tap into those opportunities. Bafunwa as if somebody angabenzela something abenzele azaceda akudelive, uthi ngisho sekudelive lokho kwenzeka acomplain ngakho ukuthi it's not enough noma akukho right kwelokhuzana. What contribution oyenzile wena ukho ukuze kuba lokhuzana? Because if you contribute lezi zinto, the smaller nyana opportunities akho ugcuma uhlala kuwo izinto ezikhona. Look at positive things. Even ngesikhathi sika Jesu, I happened to go to Israel. Experience quite a lot of things uJesu ayenza nayihamba kuzo. Even in Israel, there were people who failed to take advantage kaJesu ukuthi ukhona. Instead, they looked at him negatively ukuthi welapha ngelokhuzana ngesabatha angafanele alaphe ngesabatha. But there are those who took advantage ukuthi awunanga uJesu around baletha abantu ngesaphatha basizakala. So nalapha ke esikhona everywhere there are opportunities, kunama chances, kuya ukuthi wabuka kanjani. Ma izinto uyibuka uzothi hayi no, impilo yona mhlamba ayikho fair ukuthi mina ngizalelwe la, kodwa bakhona abantu abazalelwe la who have emerged. Benze kanjani? Lo mbuzo nje uthi benze kanjani, it challenges you ukubuka ukuthi ayi mhlambe nami I can do something. Akusho ukuthi akuvaliwe ukukhula, ukudevelopa, ukuba something better, ukuthi yimi engingakenzi lutho ngoba ngilindele ukwenzelwa. Ngeke sonke sizalwe ebukhosini, ngeke yeah, mhlambe kwabona abazalwe ebukhosini abekho happy ngoba ba spoiled, bathola ukuthi zonke into bayenzelwa. Now they can't be at the level of decide. Abanye bawo begcina behluleka entweni, unfortunately so, just because they were not exposed ethubeni lokutraineka. I-hardship yatrainana, but njengoba ngisho ukuthi kuba i-attitude in life, ukuthi izinto uyibuka kanjani, uyibuka njengeshwa noma uyibuka njengenhlahla ukuthi awunanto ithuba elingahle libe khona in life lokwenza izinto. You create your own luck, actually njalo. You create your own life, like umuntu onenhlahla ukahle I was happy ukuthi uyacoacha. Ngeke abafana bakho bayithola ipenalty behleli ngale at the back.
Yeah.
They will have to attack. Ngesikhathi be-attack then amaphutha ayenzeka laphana lelo phutha lenza ngale it becomes an opportunity kubona. So inhlahla ihambelana nabayisebenzelayo.
Sisekuleli phuzu lebhola nje ngoba train lapha uhlangana nabafana abahlukene abaqhamuka emzini eyahluke emakhaya ahlukene. Uma uhlala nabo i-team sayiqala ukuyiqala kwethu no Sifiso ukuthi asifuni khona ukungena ku-PSL bafowethu. Siyasibona isimo sangakithi ayikho i-team yebhola abafana nje manje sobafice izitolo. So ithini i-team yethu sikhandela ukuthi sifuna ukukhanda amadoda.
Yes.
So masinabadlali abawu-20 noma singathola 5 ke ozogcina izwile ozosizwa thina ukuthi sithini. Uma ufika la uyabona ukuthi labafana laba uma kungekhona okwenzeka kubona bese bancane into ayenzeka kubona kune-trauma ekhona. I-situation enjengaleyo uyiface kanjani uyilungisa kanjani ukuthi labafana lo muntu uyambona indlela aresponda ngayo khona into engathi une-anger anayo uma ethintekile uphendula ngendololwane uthola ukuthi eshaya kodwa teammates wakhe yabona akukhona okwebhola kuphela.
Yes.
Sekukhona lapho osekuthinteka khona izimo enjengalezo silungisa kanjani thina ke esibhekene nabo as coach abafana.
Fortunately ma coach there's a cause nje not a cause eqondene nabantu besports but a cause in life okuthiwa coaching. Leyo cause fortunately I've attended it several times. Leyo cause ikulekelela to identify situations like that. Naturally ngishathiwa we attendile leyo cause. Naturally mawuthatha i-leadership role uyakwazi especially in a sports situation uyakwazi ukubona ukuthi I'm giving similar instructions here but indlela abawa-receiver ngayo ahlukene nendlela aba-implementa ngayo bahlukene indlela aba-responda ngawo kuma-instructions enginika wona bahlukene. Now uyambona umuntu ukuthi no lo male le behavior i-recurring ukuthi no lona mhlawumbe une-anger ekhona within yena kodwa that angaze ayisherishe nomuntu. Lo muntu mhlawumbe une-trauma anayo kodwa mhlawumbe angakaze ayisherishe namuntu. It's one of the coaching skills ke ila put an arm around yena separately and so on, because you will find that mhlawumbe mayidlala there are a lot of good things azenzayo.
Yes.
But mayikhuluma noma mangabe enza kunalolu dlame njanalo, now you start working naye uncoma the good ayenzayo. Yabona when you put an arm around a person, it's a sign of love, sign of appreciation. Yazi wena uyinkunzi la, uyinkunzi uyabona futhi uma nje ungehlisa ukuthi nokuthi kancane akekho umuntu ongamelana nawe. You build a trust qala yokuthi, because izinto ezidala trauma they are not easily spoken out. Fanele develop trust. Fanele akwethembe ukuthi maye ngahla shareishe lezi zinto nawe. Akazi ukuyithola seyigcwele ku social media, akazi ukuyithola seyigcwele kuyo yonke indawo. Funa ukuthi maye ixoxe nawe uyixoxe nomuntu amthembayo. So if you can't do that, you get somebody ongakhanda leyo lokhuzana naye ukuthi akamthembe azi ukuthi mayixoxa into naye between bona bobabili ngoba in life everybody has got secrets. Angeke afise ukuyibona seyigcwele yonke indawo. Kodwa afisayo ukuthi angayisharisha at least nomuntu oyedwa amthembayo. Azi ukuthi mayisharishe naye zigcine lapho because mangikhuluma something nawe Mbomvu eyangihetha kabuhlungu. Ngikhuluma nawe ngoba ngiyabhoboka ngiyelapheka. The moment ngisharisha nawe ngiyalapheka ukuthi ngishathu ungasho lutho I had that close bond nomama ongizalayo. Angimsaba umama but ngesikhathi ngikhula I knew one thing ukuthi wayengithanda ngempela. Ngikhathi ethuke sayixeshulwa ingane sathi wayengishanje ukuthi yabona lo mama ngiyangizala. But the next day ngizobona into ayenza uzongiphathela something emnandi angiphathele ngondawo. Yazi kodwa kusho ukuthi uyangithanda, kusho ukuthi uyangizala. Sengikhula ke sengikwazi ukuxoxa noma eyikhona le nto ukuthi mama kodwa sagcina sivulelekana. Then we could discuss things naye. At times one into ezingiphrase emsebenzini uthi angikwazi ukuyixoxela umuntu. But mangifika kuye ngizofike ngixoxe nomama engafundile. Ngaze nje into wayengazisho ukubhala igama lakhe. Ngibuye ngizomxoxela into ezinkulu zasemsebenzini. Into ayenza nje engilapha listening yakhe nokuthi kodwa mntana those words nje ngivele ngelapheke ngibhodleke uyisho le advice ayoyisho kodwa nje lokungilalela nalelo ukuthi mntanami uyabona sengibhobokile. Now these players ozothola ukuthi zilimele kwi-upbringing yabo for one reason or another ngoba we know ama backgrounds ethu awafani. Mhlawumbe uqhamuka in a family ethola ukuthi abazali khona bayaphuza bonke bayalwa bayashayana. Obviously uyithola sekukhona fanele amsupport mhlawumbe uma wakhe mhlawumbe baba wakhe nje kunama abusive lokhu there are a lot kuma families, we know that, and we are affecting ngani affect umuntu ufuna ukukhula naleyo nto. Some of them mhlawumbe girls were raped and so on and so on. Uthola mhlawumbe even boys were subjected to these things. Akwazi ukuyixoxa namuntu kodwa wanomuntu azomthemba, wanomuntu azi ukuthi mayingamxoxela lento akazi ukuyithola isigcwele kwenye indawo. Ukukhuluma Mbomvu uconfide lokho esithi confiding. Ma confide umuntu wena uhlale naye into yakhe abone ukuthi yize ese confide kuwena awumbuki ngeso eshintshayo. You still embrace yena kakhulu, you still umkhonze kakhulu kanti uyazi ukuthi uyambuilda. Kuyasiza. It cannot be the only way yokulokuzana, but it's one of the best ways zokusiza abantu who have been involved in those zinto. Look at the positive things azenzayo, emphasize them, umncome ngazo even public ngezinto ezinhle azenzayo, umncome yedwa, umncome naphambi kwabantu, umenza ego yakhe nobuyena bukhule nokuzethemba nokuthi accepteke ukuthi there are good things azenzayo. Agcine esabu kwezi zinto wrong because kunalezi zinto correct azenzayo futhi ziyanconywa.